The purpose of this video is to explain the confrontation visual field test. CVF is used to detect gross visual field loss peripherally and to rule out neurological problems. The doctor should sit roughly 1 meter from the patient. If you are unable to reach this distance, it is okay to get closer. Make sure to be eye level with the patient. This test should be performed in bright room illumination with the stand lamp evenly on the examiner. Have the patient remove their glasses. Contact lenses are allowed. Tell the patient to cover their left eye with a clean occluder. This tests their right eye first. Instruct them to focus on your open left eye. The examiner should instruct the patient of the following.
Using only your side vision, let me know if I'm holding up 1 or 2 fingers, okay? 2.
It's helpful to imagine midlines over the patient's eye, dissecting their visual field into 4 quadrants. Present closed fists in each quadrant before showing the patient 1 or 2 fingers. Only show fingers in 1 quadrant at a time. Be sure to have the backs of your hands facing the patient while keeping your thumbs tucked in. Present your fingers equidistant from the patient and avoid pointing directly at them. Drawn results are recorded from the patient's perspective. Darken or shade the appropriate quadrant if visual field defects are found. If no defects are found, record as FTFC, which stands for full to finger count.